Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can post on Instagram with your computer. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.instagram.com and hit enter. After the home page of your Instagram account opens up on your screen, make sure that you're logged in and then click on this plus option on the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on the plus option, a dialog box will appear on your screen. Now on this box, click on the select from computer option. Once you click on the select from computer option, your computer's folders and files will appear on your screen. Now all you have to do to post a photo or video is to just select the photo and then click on this open button. Once you click on this open button, you can edit the photo however you like and then click on this next button. Once you click on the next button, you can apply the filters and adjustments and then click on this next button again. After you click on the next button, you can enter a caption saying anything you like and then click on this share button. As you can see on my screen, the post has been shared. I hope this video helped you to share a post on Instagram through your laptop or computer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.